In this video, I'd like to show you about tags. Tags used to be called layers in SketchUp, but now they changed it and they're referred to as tags. And on the fifth tool up from on the right hand side of your screen, you have a little tag looking icon. You click on that and it'll bring up an area that talks about tags. Now when you first start, all you have is an untagged item there. But what you want to do is add some tags. Tags allow you to identify certain parts of your model with different tags so you can turn them on and off as needed. Now this will come in handy when you proceed on with your model. So I'm going to show you how to do this. First, you hit the plus button down here to add a new tag. Click on the tag name and give it a name like footing. Okay, but spell it right. There you go. And spell it correctly. Yeah, that looks better. So I added a tag called footing. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my select arrow and I'm going to highlight all of my footings where they all turn blue like this. And I'm going to tag them as footings. But before I do that, I want to right click on the selected footing and I want to make it a component. And the reason I want to make it a component is because it'll help with adding the foundation later. What it does is it takes all those individual footings and adds them together as a component. So I'm going to click on add component. I'm going to name the component footing and say okay. So now what happens is I can just click anywhere on the footing and the whole thing highlights. See how it's all one item now? Now I can click on it, hit my right mouse button, go to entity information up here at the top, go to the tag. A current tag is untagged. I want to change that. So I click on untagged, click on footing, and now the current tag is footing. So when I come down here to the tags, I can turn off and on the footing. This will come in handy later on when we're working on our foundation.